Welcome, puzzle heroes! Are you ready to build some amazing emergency vehicles with us today?
Whoa! Look at that ladder! Is it a giant yellow banana? No, wait! That's for the fire truck!
3, 2,
That's right! Our heroic fire truck needs that ladder to reach high places. Let's snap it into place. Click!
Oopsie! That wheel doesn't fit there. Let's try the other one, friends. Can you point to the right part?
You did it! The fire truck is ready to roll! Vroom, let's go save the day! Look at
This
that
is
real
a fire ladder truck.
though. It's so fast and
A
shiny,
fire ladder
just
truck
like the one
uses
we
a big
built.
ladder to reach tall buildings.
Now we need to assemble the hazmat response truck. It keeps everyone safe from spills. Beep, beep!
Wait, is that a toaster? Why are we putting a toaster on a truck? That's definitely wrong.
Haha, not quite! Let's swap that for the safety tank. Much better, great catch!
This is a hazmat response truck.
Our hazmat hero is ready for
A
duty.
hazmat truck
Give yourselves
handles
a big
dangerous
high five.
chemicals safely.
Time for the powerful fire truck engine. Can you count the pistons with me? 1, 2, 3.
I tried to put the steering wheel on the roof, but it wouldn't stick. Silly me.
This is a fire truck engine.
See that engine
A fire
working in the
truck
snow?
carries water and
It stays
hoses
nice
to
and
put out
strong,
fires.
even in the cold weather. Last one. The fire tanker truck holds all the water. Let's fix that loose hose. Quick!
This is a fire tanker truck.
Perfect fit. Everything is connected.
A
We are
fire tanker
officially
truck
master
brings
builders.
lots of water to fight fires.
You were incredible today. We built a whole fleet of heroes. See you next time for more puzzle fun. Hello, Puzzle Explorer. Vroom, vroom, a little red car is cruising through the city tonight.
Whoa, did you see that? A spooky shadow just popped up. Is it a ghost truck?
Not a ghost, silly. It's our kind rescue truck friend, hiding in the dark. Let's find his pieces.
me!
Click, clack, snap! Help me put these giant wheels on the truck. Can you count them with me? Ta-da! He's fully assembled and ready for action. Look at those big, shiny headlights.
Oh boy, look who stopped by to celebrate. It's Mickey Mouse. Hi, Mickey.
Meow! Even the kitties are joining the party. Our kind rescue truck is having so much fun. You did a fantastic job today, superstars! Tap that like button if you had fun. And we'll see you for the next. Welcome to the shape-shifting sky party, friends. Can you see all the colors dancing above?
Whoa! Check out those cool construction machines. I bet there is a giant cookie inside that gift box.
Oh, silly! It is a puzzle surprise, not a cookie. Look, our hardworking digger and friends are hiding in the shadows. Let's drag the parts to their spots. Can you help our hardworking digger find its big yellow bucket?
I found it. Click snap. Vroom vroom. Let's get building.
Look at that kitty dance! Now, point your finger at the screen to help the cement mixer find its spinning drum.
Nope.
Almost there! We just need the wheels for our concrete pump truck. Everyone count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4.
泼水来做泡泡，今天真是美妙。
Ta-da! They are all assembled and ready for action. Our mighty truck and digger look absolutely fantastic.
Boom! Fireworks for our construction crew. You did such a super job solving these tricky puzzles today.
You are all puzzle masters. Give yourselves a huge high five. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we are building something super spooky and cool. Are you ready?
Whoa, is that a giant robot monster? I bet it eats city blocks for lunch.
Evil. Hell yeah!
Right, silly. It is a hardworking digger, and it is glowing with magic. Click, clack, snap it together. Now look at this bright yellow bunny. Can you point your finger at the big scoop, kids?
Vroom, vroom. I think he needs his wheels to start rolling through the park.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Our hardworking digger is filling the dump truck with dirt. 1, 2, 3 scoops.
Beep, beep! Make way for the heavy load. That truck is getting so full, it might tip over.
Wait, what is happening? The monster excavator is meeting the dump truck. Look out!
Kaboom! A magical explosion of colors. See that sparkle? It's amazing.
You did it, puzzle masters. Thanks for building with us today. See you. Hey there, puzzle explorers. Ready to help our construction friends get back to work?
Look, it's a giant puzzle. I bet the steamroller needs a giant banana to move, right?
Oh, silly! Steam coolers need their heavy cabins, not fruit. Watch this clunk. It fits perfectly. Vroom, vroom. Our mighty truck is waiting for its dump bed. Can you point to where it goes?
Click! Everything is back together. You guys are puzzle geniuses. Fight on!
Hey there, puzzle explorers. Ready to match some super cool construction vehicles today? Vroom, vroom.
Whoa! Did you see that? Everything went boom. My hat nearly flew off.
Bruh.
Oh, look, a puppy friend. Can you help us find the right shadow for our hardworking digger and his pals?
I bet the big yellow digger fits in the triangle shape. Wait, is it a triangle? No, that's definitely wrong.
Nice try, but let's slide him into his perfect match. Click! Perfect fit! You're doing amazing, everyone! Oh, look at that happy baby! They're so excited we solved our big vehicle puzzle today.
Nice.
You are a puzzle master! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun. See you next time, superstars! Welcome, puzzle explorers. Today we are building a giant house with our big crane friend.
Wait, why are the trucks looking so sad? Oh, no, did they lose their parts?
Don't worry. Fix it. Can you help me find the right shadow for our hardworking digger?
No, 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 no. Nope.
Watch closely. Does this piece fit? Click. Yes, perfect match. Vroom, vroom.
Oh, no!
my God!
Oops, that's not right. That piece is too big. Let's try again, team.
Oh my God!
Look at that! Our mighty truck is all put together and ready to carry heavy loads.
Look at him.
Great job, everyone. The site is busy even at night. You're master builders. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Get ready for a high-speed matching adventure. Wow, look at our super cool crew. We've got Pirate Blaze, the dump truck, our heroic fire truck, and Cowboy Blaze ready to roll. Uh-oh, where did they go? They've turned into shadows. 3, 2, 1.
2, 1, go!
Time to find them. Can you spot where our friends belong? Point your finger at the right silhouette. Yeah, Cowboy Blaze fits perfectly into his shape. Great job!
Ah, you found the pirate! He's back on deck, matey.
The heroic fire truck is back in place.
Yes!
You're doing amazing! Vroom vroom! Our heavy-duty dump truck is locked and loaded. Perfect match! Poof! Magic sparkles for our pirate friend. He looks ready for treasure. Hey, look!
Whoa, look at that glow! Our fire truck is shining bright like a star.
Ting! The dump truck sparkles with magic.
Monkey goo?
You are a puzzle
Try to
master.
catch me!
And finally, Cowboy Blaze gets the magic touch. Everything is back in its spot. You did it! What an incredible team. Thanks for playing. Superstars, see you next time. Welcome back, puzzle explorers. Today we're at the big construction site. Let's get building.
Whoa, did you see that flash? Lightning strikes. Everything is changing right before our eyes.
Poof! The mixer and loader are gone. And here comes our helpful ambulance friend. Beep beep! Time for quick checkup. The ambulance is pulling into the garage for some maintenance. Look at that strong truck chassis. We need to put it on the lift to start our big assembly project.
Abracadabra! Watch these magical fire effects as the parts snap right into place. It's glowing!
We're doing great! Keep your eyes peeled. Can you spot where this next heavy piece goes?
Oh, that piece is stuck. Don't worry, even the best builders get a little snag sometimes.
Use your super builder fingers to help us twist that bolt. Turn, turn, turn. Yes! We did it! Look at that shiny truck engine purring like a kitten. Great teamwork! Now, let's assemble our hard-working digger. He needs his big metal arm to start moving dirt.
Click, clack. The tools are working hard to make sure our digger is strong and sturdy.
Nice! Confetti time! Our digger is fully assembled and ready to hit the desert sands. What an amazing adventure today! You guys are master builders. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun! Hey there, Puzzle Explorers! Welcome to our big construction site adventure today!
I bet the excavator needs a giant square wheel to roll, right?
Oh, silly. Our hardworking digger needs strong circular tracks, not squares. Vroom, vroom. Look at that cement mixer. It's waiting for its big round tires to start spinning. Click!
Oh no! No.
Time for the road roller. It needs that heavy cylinder to smooth out the bumpy ground.
I'm going to guess it needs wings to fly, right?
Definitely not. It's a roller. It stays on the ground to make roads flat and perfect. Here comes the mighty dump truck. Can you help it find those big, sturdy wheels? And finally, our trench digger is getting its tracks back on. Everything is coming together!
Oh no!
Look at them go! They are fully built and ready for action! Pop, pop, confetti everywhere!
You guys are construction geniuses. We fixed every single one of them.
Great job, team! See you next time for more puzzle fun. Bye-bye! Hey there, little builders! Ready to solve some super cool vehicle puzzles with me?
Whoa, look at those pieces flying together. Is that a robot or a truck? Vroom, vroom!
That's a hard-working digger and a strong crane, silly! They help us build big skyscrapers. Click, clack, snap! Can you help me count the wheels? 1, 2, 3, 4!
I bet the cement mixer is going to be bright neon green. What do you think, friends?
Almost there! Watch as they get their final colors. Pop! Everything looks so shiny now! Ta-da! Our construction team is ready for duty. Give them a big high five on the screen.
Boom! They're glowing with excitement. You did an amazing job today, Puzzle Masters.
Nope.
We're so proud of you! Don't forget to come back for more fun next time. Bye-bye! Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Are you ready to help our brave police car buddies get back on patrol? Let's go!
Oh no! A mysterious claw? Wait, are they turning into toast? Maybe they need a hot bath, host A?
Not quite, silly. They're just hiding behind their shadows. And look, a cat and dog are playing hide-and-seek inside them. It's puzzle time. Can you help me drag the sirens and roofs onto our police friends? Match the shape to the silhouette. Click! Perfect fit. You are doing an amazing job matching those parts. Keep it up.
Amazing!
Nice.
Ta-da! Our police cars are all fixed up and ready for action. Even the cat monsters are cheering for you. High five!
You guys are puzzle masters. Thanks for helping our friends today. See you in the next adventure. Superstar Puzzle Solvers.
Welcome to the Big City Build-Up Explorers! Are you ready for some puzzle-solving fun?
Vroom vroom. Look at our heavy-duty friends rolling into town, everyone. Whoa, watch out! Everything is going sky high. Boom! Did that surprise you?
Everything turned into shadows. Can you help us put our vehicle friends back together in the desert? 3, 2, 1, go! Point your fingers at the screen and let's find the matching spots.
Oopsie! That's not the right spot for our hardworking digger. Try again!
Ta-da! You did it! The digger is back in its happy place. Great focus, team! Beep beep! Our cement mixer is spinning with joy now. It fits perfectly.
Oh my god! Wow!
Last one! The road roller is rolling right into the silhouette. Click! Look at that! We built them all up. You are officially master puzzle builders. Let's dance. You guys were amazing today. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more adventures.
Damn!
Hey everyone, welcome to the Rescue Garage. Look at those 3 heroic ambulances waiting for their next big adventure.
Whoa! Everything just turned into mysterious shadows. Is it time for a secret mission?
It's a matching puzzle, silly! We need to find the right parts to bring our brave ambulances back to life.
I bet the wheels belong on the roof. Am I right?
Not quite! Let's count the sides and check the shapes together. 3, 2, 1. Let's find the perfect fit. I'm here to help you solve these. Watch closely. Does this siren piece snap into the middle or the side? Click! That was a perfect match. Vroom vroom, our ambulance is getting its speed back. High five! We are doing amazing, team. Look at those colors popping up. Almost there. Just one more piece to complete the hero fleet. Beep beep! Let's finish strong. Ta-da! Everything is back in place. You guys are total puzzle masters. They look so shiny and ready for action! Great job today, explorers. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun!
Yay!
Hello, explorers. Get ready to meet our heavy-duty friends, the mighty dump truck and the sturdy pickup truck.
Whoa! Did you see that spark? Boom! Where did our truck friends go?
They've turned into mysterious shadows. Can you help us bring our truck buddies back to life? Look at these pieces. Does the big cabin go on top? Let's try to slide it into place. Click!
Wait, I think the wheels go on the roof. Am I doing it right?
Oh, silly! Wheels belong at the bottom to help our mighty truck roll. Let's try again. Vroom, vroom. Let's find the heavy bed for the back. Point to the screen where you think it fits.
Hell yeah!
Everything is snapping together. 3, 2, 1, kapow! The mighty truck is fully assembled.
No.
We did it! High five, everyone! Our trucks are ready to roll on their big adventure. No!
What a fantastic job, team! You're all master puzzle solvers. See you next time for more fun.
Whoa, look at!
Welcome to Puzzle Balls. Are you ready for a silly construction adventure? Boo!
Whoa, look at those funny cat faces on our construction crew. Meow vroom!
Oh no! Our hard-working digger and cement mixer have popped apart. Can you help us find their pieces?
I think the big yellow bucket goes on the tractor. Wait, is that a wheel? Uh-oh, I'm confused!
Don't worry, silly. Let's sort these by size. Everyone, point at the round wheels for me. Click, clack, snap! Watch the hard-working digger come back to life. Vroom, vroom!
Now the cement mixer is spinning its drum. Round and round it goes, mixing up some fun!
Great job, team. Amazing! We have all the pieces in place. They look stronger than ever.
Yay!
Boom! Confetti everywhere! You did it! You super builders! Give yourselves a huge high five!
That was awesome! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join our next...
Hi, friends! Look at our hardworking digger friend, ready to build a new home today. Vroom, vroom!
Whoa! Oh no! Watch out! Boom! Everything is going flying everywhere! That was a big surprise!
Our digger looks so silly now without his parts. Can you giggle along with him? Quick, let's help him. Which piece fits here? Is it the big scoop or the tiny wheel? Point to the right one.
I think it's the steering wheel. Wait, no, that doesn't fit. Oops, silly me.
Click, perfect fit. Wow, look at those fireworks. You did it. You're a master builder, superstar. Vroom, vroom. Welcome, everyone. It is time for our big puzzle adventure by the sea.
Look at our mighty red truck go. Can you wave hello to our shiny friend?
Time for a shadow challenge. Which one of these shapes matches our red truck friend?
Is it the orange one? No way, that's a different truck.
Oh no, our truck is popped into pieces. Let's help put him back together. First, let's click the big cabin right into place.
Nope.
Click! Now for the sturdy dump bed. Can you count the wheels with me? 1, 2, 3, 4!
He is looking so strong. Almost finished. Just need to tighten those bolts.
Ready, set, go! Let's watch the last piece snap into position. Pop! Ta-da! You did it, Super Builders! Look at that confetti fly everywhere!
What an amazing job today. Our red truck is ready to roll again. See you next time, Superstars.
Welcome, Puzzle Explorers! Today we're helping our brave police get ready for digging.
Whoa, look at these police vehicles. Are they missing their doors? Oh no, they're naked.
They aren't naked. Silly! They just need us to find the right doors to keep them protected while they patrol the city. Let's find the match. Does this square door belong on the SUV or the big truck? Point your fingers, everyone.
I think it goes on the tiny motorcycle. Wait, is that a motorcycle?
Haha, not quite. That's our sturdy police truck. Here comes the perfect fit. Click! Great job, team! Now can you help me count the wheels on our brave police SUV? 1, 2, 3, 4.
Vroom, vroom. The SUV looks ready to zoom into action now that the door is back on.
Almost there. Let's slide that final piece into place. 3, 2, 1, haha, perfect match. Look at them shine. Our police friends are officially back on patrol and looking better than ever. You did it! You're all master puzzle builders. Give yourselves a huge round of applause.
Before you go, smash that like button and subscribe so we can solve more puzzles together next time. See ya!